Buddy, Shaun Hadsall here, the founder of Get Lean in 12. In today's video, I'm going to teach you why you should avoid crunches and sit-ups if you really want six-pack abs. And I'm going to introduce you to a 3-exercise circuit on this mat here inside the screenshot video of what you should be replacing crunches and sit-ups, because it takes 22,000 crunches just to burn 1 measly pound of fat, according to Men's Health magazine. And Dr. Stuart McGill, one of the top back experts in the world, says, based on his research, one of the leading causes of herniated disc is crunches and sit-ups. Now, there's also the myth that crunches and sit-ups are going to help you target belly fat and help you get a flatter stomach or six-pack abs, and that's completely a myth. The only thing that you should be doing is strengthening your core and your abdominal region so that when you get your body fat levels low enough, then you'll have a developed abdominal region to show for it. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you access to my free report that's going to show you how you can really target stubborn fat cells and actually coax the body to release them and deliver them to working muscles where they can be burned off. This was based on a 12-minute protocol designed for the hormonal condition of people over 40 years old. Now, this particular circuit I'm going to share with you will protect the lower back, help eliminate back pain, prevent injuries, and really develop core strength and core development in the abdominal region. So there's 3 exercises. The first one is a hip bridge. Now you can see here I'm going to hold for 10 seconds, palm against the floor, head is touching the mat, focusing on pushing for my heels. I come down and then I pop back up for another 10 seconds. So we're going to do 10-second holds like this, and you're going to repeat that 10 times. Then with no rest, you're going to go ahead and turn right around, and you're going to go into a plank position. So now we're going from working the lower back and the erectors and the glute area to the core area. So we're going to do 10 seconds with a regular plank, then I'm going to come up to the right side, and I'm going to do a 10-second hold, and then I'm going to swap over, and I'm going to go back over to the left side, and I'm going to hold for 10 seconds. And then as soon as I'm done doing this, I'm working the core area in the center and on both sides, and I go immediately into all fours with no rest, and we're doing a bird dog, which is lifting the opposing hand and feet and extending them out like you see that I'm doing right here. You're going to hold for 10 seconds on each side, and then you're going to repeat that for 10 seconds each side. Now, I would repeat this circuit 3 times. If you're a beginner, maybe just try it 2 times to start with until your body and your back get used to this. But again, this has done wonders for me. So there you have it, an amazing circuit that you can use to replace crunches and sit-ups so that when you do burn off that stubborn fat and you get your body fat levels low enough, you have a developed abdominal region and a flatter stomach with some lines in it. And the way to do that is to click the link on or around this video, download my free report called the Over 40 Stubborn Fat Sequence, which will show you how to use specific body weight movement patterns, specific intensity levels based on your age category, and most importantly, most people don't talk about this, rest periods that will coax your body to releasing 400 to 771% more growth hormone. And after you're done with this 12-minute session, several studies show that you can increase metabolic rate for 38 to 48 hours afterwards. In the science world, we call this EPOC, EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. Just a fancy word or term for how many hours after a particular protocol your body will continue to burn fat and calories. So click the link, download that free report, start burning more stubborn fat today, and use this circuit to prevent injury and develop a strong core. Thanks for watching, and keep going strong.